You can expect a lot from the 2020 Toyota 4Runner. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 4-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, skid plates, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.